Apple CarPlay mirrors your iPhone's interface on your car's infotainment screen, prioritizing safety and hands-free operation. It uses Siri for voice commands to control music, calls, navigation, and messaging without touching your phone. Apple CarPlay requires iOS 12 or later and a compatible car head unit. Wired CarPlay connects using a USB-C cable. Wireless CarPlay works through Bluetooth and Wi-Fi for iPhone 12 and later models. It's designed to reduce driver workload and enhance road safety by keeping your hands on the wheel and eyes on the road. Customize your CarPlay home screen for quick access to your most used apps. On your iPhone, go to Settings, then General, then CarPlay. Select your car and add or remove apps to personalize the home screen. Prioritize essential apps like Maps for navigation, music or podcasts for entertainment, or Waze for alternative routing. This customization streamlines your driving experience and helps minimize distractions by keeping what you need at your fingertips. Leverage Siri shortcuts within CarPlay to perform complex, multi-step tasks using just one voice command. For example, create a shortcut that plays your driving playlist and navigates to work simultaneously. Set this up using the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. The app provides a visual interface to combine multiple actions. Once created, activate any shortcut in CarPlay by saying "Hey Siri," followed by the shortcut name for hands-free control. Enable Do Not Disturb While Driving mode to minimize interruptions while driving. Find it in your iPhone's Control Center settings. This feature can auto-reply to messages with a customizable message, letting contacts know you're driving and will respond later. This reduces distractions and promotes safer driving habits. If you drive an electric vehicle, Apple Maps within CarPlay offers powerful EV charging features to reduce range anxiety and plan efficient routes. Maps displays real-time availability of charging stations, showing how many chargers are open and compatible with your vehicle. You can filter for specific charging networks, like ChargePoint or Electrify America, and see pricing information to choose the most cost-effective option. Maps automatically suggests routes with charging stops, estimates charging times, and optimizes battery usage to reach your destination efficiently. All these EV features are available hands-free through CarPlay, allowing you to focus on the road while planning your charging needs. Wireless CarPlay is available on iPhone 12 and later models, using Bluetooth and Wi-Fi for a cable-free connection to your car's infotainment system. However, performance can vary significantly based on signal strength in the vehicle. Weak signals may cause lag, audio dropouts, or connection failures. If you experience issues, try repositioning your phone closer to the car's wireless receiver or switch to a wired USB-C connection for more reliable, stable performance. Always prioritize voice commands through Siri to interact with CarPlay. Avoid manual interactions with the screen while driving. Use voice commands to make calls, send texts, change music, or set navigation. This minimizes distractions and helps keep your focus on the road. Regularly update your iPhone's iOS to ensure CarPlay has the latest bug fixes, security patches, and new features. Go to Settings, General, Software Update on your iPhone. Updates improve compatibility and enhance overall CarPlay performance, contributing to a safer and more reliable driving experience.